All right, y'all. This is my No More DVD Man. As you can see, I have my MXQ Pro box. I've already hooked it up to my TV. This is how the screen looks. So, to work it, what we want to do is we go to Apps, My Apps. Let me show you. It's like this. Click on My Apps, and everything runs through Kodi. You have all these extra features, Facebook and so forth, but we want to go to Kodi. Click on Kodi. I'm really showing you guys the quick tutorial. Say if we want to watch a program, I'm fast forwarding. If we want to watch something, we go to videos, then add-ons. And then you just basically pick one. All of them have different programs, movies, what have you on them. So let's just say I want to go to let me see. Let's go to Exodus. I watch a few movies in Exodus. Did I pass it up? Where is it at? Oh, okay, Exodus. Okay, right here. This is Exodus. So as you see, the screen will look like this. It has movies, TV shows, and so forth. So I go down to movies, click on movies, and it'll show me this. So I can pick the genre, movie, the year, so forth. I'm going to go to the movies that people are watching. It says people watching. Let's click on that and see what's the top movies that people are watching. And then it'll show me like a chart full of movies. So we have X-Men. We have 13 hours. As you see, I already watched Captain America, Civil War, and so forth. Okay, now let's go back. Well, to watch a movie, all we do is we just go to the movie. So let's say we're going to watch X-Men. We click on X-Men, and this is what's going to happen. It takes a little time for it to load up. So while that's doing that, it says 15, 16 seconds. It's going to be quicker than that. So I really call this the No More DVD Man, no more CDs. We can just play everything through this box. You just go down to one. It doesn't matter which one. Let's just try this one. I go down and I push the button on it. Then you'll see this on your screen. It's loading. You see this in the corner. That means it's working. Okay, here goes the movie. Pretty good quality. It's a brand new movie out, so the subtitles will come up with the Spanish or whatever that is. What is that? Russian? Chinese? Spanish, Chinese, Russian, same thing. I'm just kidding, y'all. It's not the same thing. I'm just kidding. With the Chinese letters on it. And that's mostly on newer movies. But the quality of the movie is pretty good. You can't really see the quality through this TV, through this phone as I can. But the quality is pretty good. Okay, now let's get out of this. Let me go back one time. Stop it. And go hit the back arrow. This is the back arrow right here. Hit the back arrow to control it. Okay, let's start all over. I wanted to show you guys that because it's just real simple. Now, if we want to, sometimes you have to set the system up. So you go to Programs, not programs. You go to system. Let me make sure system. Nope, not system. I'm like, what do you go to, buddy? Okay, give me a second here, y'all. Getting it right for you guys. Videos. Yeah, there's programs. Okay, you go to programs and you go down to, what does that say? Add-on installer. You click that. You click on add-on installer, and then you go to add-ons, featured add-ons or video add-ons, either one of those. So let's just say we go to featured add-ons. We will go to any one of these and we'll click on it. Say we want live music. We click on live music, and there's an arrow, then there's a part that says live music. Let me give you a better view. So we go to the live music, hit OK, and it's going to say install or cancel. We want to install it. Now, anytime you install something, it takes a few seconds, and it's going to say, let's be patient. It's going to say, your selection has been installed, brought to you by blah, blah, blah. So hit OK, and then you go back to the arrow. I'm just hitting the OK button. So now let's say we want to install something else. There's a lot of things to choose from. As you see, Exodus is on here. You install Exodus. We already installed that. So let's say we want to install, let me see, Castaway. We want to install Castaway. Click on Castaway, and the arrow comes up, and then right next to that'll be the word Castaway in that little block. You can see it. Click on the Castaway, hit OK, and then this will come up. It says what it says. Either you can cancel or you install it. We want to click over to install, so you install it. Give it some time. It's going to load. This was real easy. I thought it was going to be hard, but it was very easy. So once it runs its course, it's going to say OK. Let me make this clear for you guys. Hit OK. Go back up here to the back arrow. Okay, so now we get out of that. I'm going to use my back arrow to get out of that. I'm using the back arrow. Okay, so as you see, to set it up and to get all the programs you want on your MXQ Pro, you go to Programs, then you go down to Installer, Add-on Installer. Now, once you add on all the programs that you want to watch, now you go back up, you go to Videos. It's real simple. So then you go to Add-ons. You have Files, you have Add-ons. You go to Add-ons and you hit it. Now this is everything that you downloaded. So it takes some time. You got to download each and every one of these. And then you just kind of play with it and see what's on each one of them. So let's just go to the little duck here. What is that? I have no idea what's on this. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to see. And then this comes up in the corner. Ultra vivid and so forth. Ultra vivid. Let's say something movie. 24. Anyway, like I say, you just got to kind of play with it a little bit. The two that I normally use, though, are the Exodus and Turk. Let's go to Turk real quick. One thing about Turks I like, here's Turks. One thing about Turks, You can play movies from the 70s. You can watch live TV. You can play. You got have sports on here, movies, TV shows. So let's go to movies. I'll give you an example of what I'm talking about. They have stand-up comedies. Pretty much everything is on here. So look, it has new movie releases, 3D movies, 50s, the 70s, the 80s, the 90s, 2000s, 2010s to the 15s, and so forth. Star Wars. It's pretty much this Turks has everything that I like. So this is the one that I use a lot. So let's just go to, I don't know, let's go to 80s movies. Click on the button, and then let's see what comes up. You got your Popeye, you got a lot of different movies here. I'm just going to just open up a movie. Let's see here. A lot of throwbacks here. Blade Runner, E.T. Everybody remembers E.T. The Thing. So let's just say we want to watch The Thing. Came out in 1982. So I click on the button and lets it go. Okay, so that means when you see this, it's working. Oh, maybe it's not working. Let's see. Let's click on it again. Sometimes you have to click it more than once. Sometimes it will play, sometimes it won't, depending on how old. So that didn't play. Let's just go to a different one. Opening stream. When it says that means it'll work. I don't know why some of these movies won't play, but sometimes they won't play. But for the most part, they will play. So we just let it work its course. Give it a minute. It says opening stream. But yeah, I like this system because, like I said, you can watch different years and new movies, of course, old movies. I don't know what's going on. I'm just going to cancel this. It's running slow for some reason. Okay. Let's find a movie that we can watch. Fight Night. It would want to act up. Okay, here we go. While I'm giving a demonstration. That's normally how it is. When you're giving a demonstration, sometimes things don't want to work right. But this is going to work. I'm guaranteeing this. See there? Here we go. So we're going to watch a 1980s movie. I forgot what movie it was. But either way, this is your MXQ Pro. Real easy system. It's not too complicated to work. You just plug it up. Turn my volume up. Now we're watching a 1980s movie. All right, you guys. Like my page. I hope this was helpful for you guys. No more DVD, man. You can watch all the movies within reason that they have on the system here. When the box comes, it's just standard box. Has a plug in it, HDMI cord, and the box. Real simple. You can move it around from room to room. You don't really need more than one. Like I said, you can move it around. This is Fright Night, throwback. Yeah, it's real easy system. Just as long as you play with it and you get used to it, you'll definitely understand why I like this one so much, as opposed to the Fire Stick and so forth. But hope this was helpful for you guys. I'm signing out. Take care.